Welcome to our channel and subscribe us. Today we will see the exchanges of the respiratory gases, right? First, we will see that in the lungs, the exchanges of the respiratory gases take places between the alveoli of lungs and the blood, right? The oxygen enter the blood from the alveoli and the carbon dioxide expel out the blood into alveoli, right? The exchanges occur through the bulk flow diffusion, right? Then we will see the oxygen and the carbon dioxide exchanges in the alveoli, right? First, in the arterial end, mean pulmonary artery, right? The partial pressure of the oxygen 40 milliliter mercury, right? So in the alveolar there is the 104 millimeter mercury. So what will happen? The oxygen diffuse from the alveoli to blood, right? Then the carbon dioxide, the arterial and the partial pressure of the carbon dioxide is the 46 millimeter mercury. In the alveoli 40 millimeter mercury. So carbon dioxide diffuse from the capillary to alveoli. This is the exchanges in the alveoli and the blood vessel. Then we will see tissue and the blood, right? What are the gases exchanges? When the oxygen, first we will see oxygen exchanges. There is the partial pressure of the oxygen in arterial end, the 95 millimeter mercury, because there is the physiological sun, so decrease the blood pressure as a 95 millimeter mercury. Then the tissue oxygen partial pressure is the 40 millimeter mercury. Automatically diffuse the oxygen from the tissue. Then CO2 exchanges in the tissue. There is a 46 millimeter mercury in the tissue. Partial pressure of the carbon dioxide. In the arterial end, 40 millimeter of mercury. So carbon dioxide diffuse from the tissue to blood, right? These are the exchanges in the tissue and blood vessels. Then we will see what are the factors affecting the diffusing capacity. First one is the pressure gradient. The diffusing capacity is directly proportional to the pressure gradient. That means increase pressure gradient, that is increase the diffusing capacity. Then second one is the solubility of the gas in the fluid medium. The diffusing capacity is directly proportional to the solubility of the gas, right? That means the increase solubility increase the diffusing capacity. Then we will see total surface area of the respiratory membrane. The diffusing capacity is directly proportional to the surface area of respiratory membrane, right? The increase the respiratory membrane area, so diffusing capacity increase. The next one is the molecular weight of the gas. The diffusing capacity is inversely proportional to the molecular weight of the gas. There is a molecular weight increase, diffusing capacity decrease. Then fifth one is the thickness of respiratory membrane. So diffusion inversely proportional to the thickness of respiratory membrane. Respiratory membrane in the alveoli, no. So thickness increase. So diffusing capacity of the gases decrease. These are the gases exchanges in the blood. Then these are the factors affecting the gases exchange. Then thanks for watching our channel and subscribe us.